Hey guys, let's talk about alarm on a Tapo C320WS. The setup is super simple. I have my camera already working, as you can see. It's here close to the window, and I have some cars passing by. Then I can test the alarm, all right? And here on the screen, you see the Tapo camera working and detecting motion in vehicles. I have the tag on, so I can see the tag here. I can just turn it off, then I don't see it anymore, but the motion detection is still working, right? So if I come here, you see that I have detection for motion in vehicle. I can also enable person detection. That way, that is going to trigger the alarm when I turn it on. And here I have the alarm, it's off right now. Then I can just turn on from here, or I can just come directly here on the main interface and enable it here. You see, the alarm is off right now. When I enable it, you're gonna see that it goes off when there's motion in front of the camera, right? Let me just enable here, and you see it. Just wait for a moment, and it's gonna get the motion from the cars. And there we go. Then I can just turn it off from here again. So super simple. As long as you have the detection enabled here, it's going to trigger the alarm when you enable the alarm, of course, right? Let me just disable here the motion detection. You see here, no longer working, and person detection as well, and vehicle detection, right? Then you see here the message that I'm going to disable the alarm at the motion, right? So there's no detection working anymore. So I just confirm this. So no motion available anymore, no motion detection. Any one of them is disabled now. Then when I come back here to alarm, it's not gonna work because I need to have the motion enabled, right? So the app says that I need to enable motion, otherwise it's not gonna work. So make sure that I have motion detection enabled, then it's going to work. So I just come here again, motion, let's say it's enabled now. And then here on the alarm, I can just turn it on from here as well. And select here what I want, sound and light. See here, just sound, just light, whatever you want here. I'm gonna just put light here for a while, otherwise I'm gonna hear the alarm all the time, right? So I just want light, I just put it that way. And here there's the alarm schedule all day or during the day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. During night, 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Or I can have a custom schedule. You see here that I can change the weekday and also the time, right? From and to. So it's pretty simple, right? And let me just put back on all day and here to sound and light. Then it's gonna work again. And remember, I can just enable and disable from here. And it just works, right? So that's basically the way you can set up the alarm on a Tapo C320WS. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, your thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.